Hi, I'm Barbecue Joe, and welcome to another exciting episode of Motel Room Cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic meal right here in your motel room. We'll have us a baked potato, some broccoli, some shrimp, and a ribeye. Using some Paul's blackened seasoning, some fresh French salted butter, and some salt and pepper. Using our microwave, our iron, and our coffee maker. Stay tuned. Well, if you stuck around this far, I guess you're in for the ride. First off, we're going to need a plate. Where are we going to find a plate for cleaning, prepping, and cooking our food? Well, wait, I know where there's a plate. There's a plate right here. Look at that. Perfect size plate. That ought to work. Well, we're going to have to take that over here and give it a quick wash. I'm going to wash this in the sink. I'll be right back. Okay, well, now we've got our plate all clean. I suppose the first thing to do is deal with our shrimp. When you go to the grocery store, if you look around, go by the salad bar. You're going to need some silverware. Go by the salad bar, grab some knives, some forks, maybe it's spoons and stuff if you need. I'm going to start by opening our shrimp, and we'll walk it over to the sink. And we'll just add a little water, and we'll get our shrimp thawing out. Yeah, we'll let that sit there for a minute or two. Shrimp thawing. Next thing we need to do is probably prep up our broccoli. Got a nice clean plate. We got our knife. And we got our broccoli. I'm going to cut this up. I'll be right back. Okay, now that we got our broccoli prepped up, let's put that off to the side. Fortunately, the room comes with a nice tray for storage. Nice clean towels too. Plenty of those. Let's just put our broccoli right there and store that right there for a minute. Next thing we need to do is address our baked potato. We'll take our baked potato and our fork and we'll punch it full of holes. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'll be right back. Okay, so now we've got our potato all nicely poked full of holes. For this little feast, we're going to need some melted butter too. Fortunately, the room comes with these handy dandy heat-proof coffee cups. We'll just grab us a little butter here and we'll pop it into our coffee cup. Look at that. Oh, fresh butter. Gotta love fresh butter. So what we'll do here is we'll just whack us a nice hunk of butter. We'll pop this in the microwave. Doody-doo, just like that. Okay, next thing's next. Let's open our steak. This is a nice ribeye from Fry's USDA Choice. It says right there, Choice. Again, we're going to prepare this with some Paul's. This is my favorite. Blackened redfish magic. We've got some nice hot melted butter here. We've got our baked potato ready. We've got our broccoli prepared. And we have our steak. Now it's time to get that potato in the microwave. So let's go pop that little booger in there. We'd probably be good for about 10 minutes or so. And like I said, let's give her about 10 minutes. And while we're doing that, it's time to tend to our shrimp. How are we going to cook our shrimp? Well, we'll start by pouring out our water on this shrimp. And where else are we going to do with this? Well, obviously, it goes in the coffee pot of our shrimp. And you're asking yourself, well, what are we going to do next? Well, that's obvious. You got to put it somewhere to cook. Water. Close up. Pick your coffee pot full of shrimp. And plug it in. Get your shrimp going. Time to cook our shrimp. We'll just plug her in and let her get to working. In the meantime, we need to prep our steak. Here's our nice butter. We'll just give what you do is put a little butter on your steak here. Right. And we need some pulse. Give her a nice sprinkle of pulse seasoning. Need some more of that. I love the pulse. Put a whole bunch on there. Pack it on. And give it a flippy flip. Get rid of that damn thing. I hate those. Need a little bit more butter. Steak prep 101. Some more balls. Okay, let's step over here. Yep, shrimp's working. Okay, and let's see over here. Baked potato, looking good. Better give it a turn. What was that? Sizzling right along. Give it a little turny turn. Let him rock and roll. So our shrimp's cooking. Our broccoli's ready. Our steak is seasoned. Oh, look at this. And our potato's just about done. Close enough. Bing, potato's done. We'll take our potato out. Wrap him in a towel. Keep him warm. And pop him in the old ice bucket. Keep him warm for a while. In the meantime, it's time to fire up the grill. Turn it on high. Make sure there's no water in it. I already emptied it out. Let that warm up. Your broccoli. And place your broccoli in the microwave. Okay, broccoli's done. We'll take our broccoli out. What do you do with the broccoli to keep it warm? Well, obviously, you put them in the bucket. And next, it's time to cook the steak. A little bit longer. Okay, now I think it's about time for a flip. Okay, let's wrap this little shindig up there, shall we? Drain your shrimp. ladies and gentlemen, a meal fit for a king. Bon appetit.